And the last one, letter LL, potassium iodide to an acidified solution of potassium dichromate. We're being asked to consider the reducing agent. Thinking redox. My first reactant was given as potassium iodide, Ki, but I'm learning potassium will always be a spectator. So let's consider, in the first half reaction, iodide going to its elemental form, iodine. The second reactant was given as potassium dichromate. Dichromate is Cr2O7. Potassium dichromate would be K2Cr2O7, but we'll eliminate the potassium as it serves as a spectator. So the second half reaction, Cr2O7, which is a -2 charge, goes to the chromium ion as a +3 charge. We'll work to balance those two half reactions and place them back together. We are in an acid solution. So considering the first half reaction, I'll start by doubling the iodine, giving me a net -2 on the left, so I'll add 2 electrons to the right. The second half reaction, I'll double the chromine to balance the CRs, and I'll add 7 waters to balance the oxygens. Coming to this side, adding 14 hydrogen ions, balancing the H. Gives me a net +12 on the left side and a +6 on the right side. So we'll bring them both down to +6 by adding 6 electrons to the left-hand side. Now Leo must equal Ger, so we'll distribute a 3 through that first half reaction, and we'll add them back together at the same time. So 3 times 2 is 6 units of iodide, plus 6 electrons, plus 14 hydrogen ions, and the chromate or dichromate polyatomic ion are on the left side of our arrow. On the right side, we have 3 iodines, 6 electrons, 2 chromium +3 ions, and 7 waters. Let's see what we can simplify. The electrons are canceled, and that to me looks like it. That's it. So our final answer shows 6 iodides plus 14 hydrogen ions plus the dichromate polyatomic forming 3 iodine molecules, 2 chromium +3 ions, and 7 waters. What is the reducing agent in this reaction? Well, going back to my half reactions, I can see the first one lost electrons, that's the Leo. The second reaction was the gain of electrons, that's the Ger. Now remember, the term agent is the opposite. I want to know, when I'm asked the reducing agent, what was truly oxidized. The iodide was the reducing agent because it was oxidized.